Okay, what if you have a table that you created and you don't realize that there's some duplicates in there and you would like to eliminate the duplicates? And I'm just using a small table here, but it could be enormous. So just in this little table, let's go ahead and click in the table, anywhere's in the table. And then you go to the design. You see where it says design? You click on design. And then what do you look for? You say, look, remove duplicates. Watch what happens. It says, look, to delete the duplicates, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. And so you'd say, all right, I want to go, and I say, okay. And what did it do? It found one of them that was duplicated. It was the one that we have down here. You can actually see it by undoing. Go back here and use the undo. Watch which one it undid. It undid April. You see? There was a duplication of April. Remember, you went to the design, you went remove duplicates, and it says, okay, I'm looking all over, and it says, look, I can see April and April. That's how easy it is to. Now you can imagine if it was a large, I mean huge table. All you'd have to do is highlight in there and it would take care of the rest. That's how you eliminate duplicates in your table.